Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today's video is a get it all done. I went in town earlier to run some errands and I did pick up some fruits. I picked up some pineapple and some watermelons, so I'm just prepping them now. As I said, it's easier for my family to eat fruits when it's already prepped. That's what I'm doing right now. Now I'm going to do some light cleaning. I'm going to scrub the kitchen sink and also the bathroom sink. I'm going to take a short break and make myself some iced coffee. It's time to get started, and today I'm making baked and fried chicken. I know you guys see me make this already. It's just a meal that everyone enjoy. So for those of you who don't know what bakes is somewhat like bread, but instead it's fried, and you just shape them into balls, and yeah, it's somewhat like bread. While the dough is rising, I clean the chicken. I'm now going to cut them up and season them and let them marinate for a while. I'm trying something new. I've decided to add some flour in with this seasoning, and just to add a little coating to the chicken, so when they fry they get really crunchy. I'm going to fry the chicken first, and once the chicken is finished, I'm going to strain the oil and then use that oil to fry the base. Now that the hour has passed since I left this to rise, I'm now going to knead it a bit more and then start making the balls out to fry. These are how the bakes are looking, and they're more flat than circular. And I'm just gonna flip the chicken. It's time to take out the chicken and put in the next batch. Once the chicken is fried and I've strained the oil, it's now time to add the bakes in. The bakes will rise a little bit more, and they'll be very crunchy on the outside and like a reddish texture on the inside. This is how the chicken and the bakes are looking once they're done. I'm gonna serve my plates and give you guys a taste test. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, enjoy creating and editing this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye.